Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to use Evernote for project management. Many teams use Evernote only for notes, but it can help plan, track, and manage projects efficiently. First, create project notebooks. Make a notebook for each project, like Project X or Client Y. This keeps all project notes together. Step one, use notes as tasks. Each note can represent a task, meeting, or a milestone. Add details and deadlines and responsible people inside the note. Step two, use checklists. Track task progress with checklists inside notes. Mark items done as work progresses. Step three, use tags. Add tags like urgent, in progress, idea, or blocked. Tags help filter tasks across notebooks. Step four, attach files and links. Add documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets. This keeps everything in one place. Step five, use templates. Templates for recurring meetings or reports save time. They keep notes consistent. Step six, share and collaborate. Share notebooks or notes with your team. Everyone can comment and contribute in real time. Step seven, set reminders. Reminders for deadlines and milestones help you stay on track. Never miss important tasks. Finally, archive completed tasks. Moving old notes to an archive keeps your workspace clean. Focus stays on active projects. So, yeah, using Evernote for project management is about notebooks, notes as tasks, checklists, tags, attachments, templates, collaboration, reminders, and archiving. Follow these steps and your projects will stay organized and on track. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.